Good evening, traders. I hope you all having a nice weekend, and I hope you have banked some nice money out of the trades and signals I have sent last week. As you can see here, we had a nice trades all the way up towards this level. So what to expect next from the natural gas? Here you can see the natural gas has made all-time high, and there is no other resistance above this level. But what I think, natural gas has made a new resistance level here. In the last video, I've said that if the market breaks below this pink zone, this is a buffer zone, then we can expect to see some bearish signs. The last market session, this closes almost equal to this box level here. We'll get to know on Monday trading session. So what to expect next from natural gas. So as you all know, there's no other resistance level here on the natural gas, but LNG is going to make another resistance level. So I believe the next resistance level is here. Check on the daily level. We already got one touch here and two touch here, which makes it a minor resistance level. And if the market touch this level one more time here, then it's more likely to become a major level of resistance. So right now we have two touches here, which makes it a valid resistance level for now. We need at least three touches to declare this level as a major level of resistance. So I can see the natural gas has created a nice double top engulfer. Sorry for the drawing. This red engulfer here, and which is another reversal signal. But we are not taking any entries now as of now, because until I see the market closes below this box or this resistance, oh sorry, this support level. If this is the next resistance level, this is the double top formation. Yeah, then we can expect to see the market go all the way down towards 4.886. But that can only happen if the market breaks below this box or this support line here. Then I can see the market goes towards this level. But on Monday, if the market won't close below this pink zone, that could be another pullback all the way towards the same level I've marked in my previous video. So let's keep an eye on both entries, keep an eye on both levels. If the market break below this pink zone or this support level, that could be a nice short trade towards this level. If that's another pullback, then you can see the market goes all the way up above the level I've marked in my previous video. I'll put the link right up there so you can see what level I've marked in my previous video. So that was a quick update on natural. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. As we have seen that last whole week, I have been updating you guys every single day. So if you want to keep yourself updated with the natural gas or any other commodity market or the currency trading, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're getting a value out of these videos and all the other trades I've sent before, then please share this channel with your friends so they can also benefit from the videos I'm uploading every single day, just to keep you guys updated with upcoming market conditions. I hope you trade green next week. If you have any questions regarding trading or anything else you want to know, just leave a comment down below, or you can follow me on Instagram, and also you can follow me on my Telegram channel where I send daily trade ideas every single day. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.